Hello, hello, hello! Gosia is here and I have something super special just for you. I'm going to teach you today how to make super nutritious and super easy body scrub. And this body scrub, it will bring super healing and therapeutic experience for your body, mind and skin. And for that recipe, my friend, I chose a super special and natural blend of detoxifying, healing and nutrient-rich ingredients that will help to restore your skin, soothe the muscles and uplift your mood. Alright, so let's get ready and create our first body scrub recipe together. Here's what you will need. Himalayan salt, olive oil, freshly squeezed orange juice, baking soda, honey and sweet orange essential oil. So why did I choose these ingredients? Himalayan salt helps to draw out the toxins. It deeply cleanses the body, stimulates the circulation. Also because it's grainy, of course, it helps to take off the dead skin cells as well as soothe the muscles. Also, what is wonderful about Himalayan salt is because it's naturally rich in 80 plus nourishing and skin replenishing minerals, it is super therapeutical for the whole body. Also, our lovely olive oil that it will help to deeply restore dry skin. Then sweet orange essential oil and freshly squeezed orange juice. So oranges are well known for tons of vitamin C and alpha hydroxy acids, and they are also antibacterial. So these three components tells us that it will deeply restore the skin. It will help to slough off the dry skin, rough skin spots for anybody who experiences. Also skin brightening and straightening benefits, as well as for anyone who is experiencing acne. Oranges are amazing and gentle, so that's why I chose orange and sweet orange essential oil. Also, one thing that aroma from oranges, it helps to uplift the mood right away. So for anybody who's experiencing anxiety or having a moment, just breathe, okay? It will help you to relax instantly. Just the sweet aroma of this amazing fruit. Okay, so let's move on to the next, baking soda and honey. So baking soda, many beautiful properties and benefits for the skin, the body, but let's focus on pH balancing, deeply cleansing the skin and detoxifying, and what else? Also anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties. So acne and inflammation, wonderful. What else? pH balancing, and of course exfoliation. And then honey. Honey acts as a humectant, also antibacterial. So as you can see, everything that I've got over here for you, it will naturally help to restore, rehydrate your skin. It will help to clean and detoxify, moisturize and nourish, and also brighten and help with any breakouts that you may experience or may not. Also, what else? That's it. I think we can get ready and do our make our scrub. All right, so here's my bowl, and here first we'll start with Himalayan salts. Okay, 2 cups of Himalayan salts. Then we will put baking soda powder. We'll blend gently, and then we will add freshly squeezed orange juice, and you will see that the consistency is fizzing up, like okay, and maybe you can see it now. Okay, yeah, the next time maybe I should try to get like a clear bowl, but It smells really nice already. All right, so once you blend it in a little bit and the salt seems to be kind of like wettish, you can add olive oil. I have 4 ounces in the bottle. Let's see. Just nicely blend it in. Okay. Nice. Okay, let me use this. Then let's add some honey. Oops, too big. All right. See, I have my spatulas always nice. Okay. 1 tablespoon. I'll put the full recipe so you know exact amount of the ingredients we needed. Okay, and then sweet orange essential oil. I like to put about 2 tablespoons because I love when my body scrub smells, the aroma is really strong and nice, and then you can smell it on your skin for the next few hours. Okay. It looks like we can add a little bit more olive oil. All right, let's see, like about 2 ounces. Let's see. Beautiful. Yes, that's what we need. It will be more nourishing and hydrating and moisturizing to the skin. Perfect. The consistency is lovely. And now we can prepare our jar. Beautiful. Looks so good and it smells so good. I can't wait to use it. Perfect. Look at that. So nice. Guys, I can't wait for you to try the recipe and make your own body scrub. It smells so good. The aroma is so amazing that already I feel so relaxed. And look, it looks so beautiful. The oils are coming up to the surface, which is natural and normal, so don't worry about that. Also, you can exfoliate your body every day. More sensitive skin types every other day. Don't use it on your face because the face, our complexion is more sensitive than our skin on the body. What else? When you use the scrub, start from your feet and work your way up with the circular movements, and remember that everything goes up and towards the heart. The same, when you exfoliate your hands, bring your hand up and do the exfoliating movements, everything towards the heart, because that way you affect also your lymphatic system and you stimulate the circulation. What else? I think that this is it. Enjoy your body scrub. Please let me know how did it go for you. Share with your friends if you think they would enjoy, and this is something that they need for right now. And yeah, let's transform our body, mind and skin while at home.